I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens with your most accurate forecast, and high pressure taking over this week. So the valley is heating up and the triple digits will be back soon. Air quality also getting worse, and tomorrow the valley is under an ozone high pollution advisory, meaning air quality is looking unhealthy for those of you with any kind of respiratory condition like asthma or COPD. So limit your time outside tomorrow if you do have that, or you may have difficulty breathing. And for the rest of us, we can all help out and prevent the problem from getting worse. Try to carpool or use public transportation if you can. Even just refueling those vehicles after dark helps, and avoiding idling those vehicles along drive-through lines especially. Let's take a look at that forecast hour by hour tomorrow. It's going to be a nice morning, but a mild one. 71 degrees at 6 a.m. rather, 80 degrees at 9 and 90 degrees by noon tomorrow. High temperatures going into the mid to upper 90s across the Phoenix metro tomorrow afternoon, but it's still going to be a couple of degrees below the average, which is 99 for this time of year. We'll hit 96 in Mesa and Scottsdale, 94 in Apache Junction and Fountain Hills, Santan Valley and Queen Creek both at 95 degrees. Carefree avoiding the 90s, but just barely, a high of 88 there. Deer Valley at 94, Anthem at 92, and Peoria, Glendale, Levine, and Avondale, really most of the West Valley tomorrow at 96 degrees. As we take a look across the state, lows tonight dropping down into the 30s at the Grand Canyon, Flagstaff, and out at Window Rock, but staying above the freezing point in all of those spots. Lows in the 40s in Prescott and Payson, 60s here across central Arizona, and low 70s out to the northwest for Bullhead City and Lake Havasu City. Those spots tomorrow in the upper 90s, just like we'll see here, and then temperatures up to the north at 81 in Sedona, 84 in Kingman, 65 in Flagstaff, and low 70s in Heber and Show Low for tomorrow. Now, there is going to be another chance of a few spotty showers and thunderstorms firing up along the rim and in that higher terrain across northern Arizona. We saw that today, and another slight chance tomorrow before we dry this forecast out. Going into Friday afternoon, it looks like a few clouds developing, but we should stay dry up there, and definitely looking dry statewide as we head into the weekend and start to crank up that heat just a little more heading into next week. So tomorrow, 97 here in Phoenix. We'll do 98 Friday and Saturday. By Sunday, up to 99 degrees, and then low 100s, which is normal by the start of next week. That would put us right in line with our 30-year average with a high of 100 degrees Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.